This is the Turin Shroud. It's the most scientifically studied object in history. Many believe it's the real burial cloth of Jesus of Nazareth, with a real image of him caused by his resurrection. Today, we can clear up this positive-like photograph image using artificial intelligence. It gives amazing results. So, now we can see what the man of the shroud really looked like. The blood shows up as white as the colors have been inverted from the image. To the naked eye, the Turin Shroud is a negative image. The swelling has been reduced as the man on the shroud suffered severe beatings to the face. Now we can use technology to create what is most likely the real face of Jesus. All these images are available at the link on my TikTok profile page. I'm going to be doing animation really soon. Please support me.